Hello, in this video we're gonna check how all gestures and motions work in Huawei P60 Pro. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings. Right here, locate the accessibility features. There's shortcuts and gestures. Now let's check all of the options. First one is AI voice, and here you can enable it. Hold the power button for 1 second and this should call out your voice assistant. You will also need to set it up before that, and it works just like that. Next feature is a ultra snapshot. Here you can choose to either open a camera or take a snapshot while your phone is locked. You can press on double press the volume down button to make one of the functions work. So let's go for a take snapshot. We can lock our device, then point the camera at this plant and double click volume down button. And it just took a snapshot of this plant. Next feature is take a screenshot, and you can use your knuckle to do that. So knock twice on the screen with a knuckle to take a screenshot. It should work like this. For some reason it began a screen recording and didn't take a screenshot. Let's try it again. Okay, now it works fine. Next feature is a partial screenshot, so you need to knock with your knuckle and then start drawing to take a partial screenshot. It should work like this. And as you can see, it works fine. Next feature is a scroll shot. Knock with your knuckle and draw S to take a scrollable screenshot if the page allows it. And that's basically all of the screenshot features. Next is a record screen, and here you can use your double knuckles to start a screen recording. As you can see, it begins instantly. Next is wake screen. If you turn both of the features off, you can raise your device to turn on the screen while it's locked, and the next one is tap on the screen twice to turn it on. Let's try it out. So here you can see that it wakes up without pressing any buttons, and now let's try to double tap. It also works great. Next feature, mute ringtone or reduce volume. So you can flip your phone like this when you receive a call to mute it, and you can also raise your phone when the call is incoming to reduce the volume. So for example, if your phone is laying on the table like this and you receive a call, then you lift it up and the volume of your ringtone should be reduced. Next feature is answer calls. So you can raise your phone to your ear to instantly answer the call, and I contribute that because I can't make a call right now. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.